So I don't know about you, but I have a lot of these rotary blades that are blunt and no longer cut my fabric properly, and I didn't know what to do with them. I don't like to throw them out because I'm hoping that I can sharpen them somehow, but I've tried all sorts of ways to do this and nothing's been really successful. So when I came across this little gadget, I thought, what a great idea, and promptly bought one. Now this is the Blade Saver thread cutter, and what it does is it uses your rotary blades, your old spent rotary blades, and you can use it for cutting your threads when you're chain stitching. It comes in this neat little container, so there's no chance of you getting cut from your blade, and I'm going to show you how to put it together in a moment. And just look how handy and easy this is to pop in your bag to take to class or to a retreat. Now it's held together with these fairly strong magnets, so you put your thumbs into the thumb holes and pull it apart, and you can see it is quite strong. Okay, so we open it up. And what you need to do this is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, although I did use a flat screwdriver at one stage and it worked quite well. And of course a spent rotary blade. Now the case has a diagram of the cutter in the bottom so you know how to put it back in when you're finished with it. So that's really handy, so I'll just bring that up so you can see that there. Okay, so let's just take it apart. You can see here that you've got the screw with the where you put your screwdriver, and let's just take that screw out. Right, so this comes apart, this falls apart in your hand, and what you do is you take your used rotary blade and you pop it in there, add this piece back on, okay, pop your screw through, and screw it up again. Now you can see that the blade is protected, so you're not going to cut yourself there unless you really force your fingers in. So that's the blade all put together in the little holder. And now what I'm going to do is just put the case together again. Just line up the thumb holes, and you pop the blade holder into your stand. Now you just have it sitting next to your machine, and then when it comes time to do your cutting, as you can see here, you can just go ahead and cut. Really quick and really simple. When you finish, just take it out of the stand, open the case and pop it away. You don't need to take the blade out again. It just sits in there nicely. Put it together, pop it in your drawer or pop it in your bag. So if you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.